Hello everybody, it's me Heather, and today I have an unboxing from Bioco. So, big fan of Bioco. I have two of their body scrubs. I wanted to show these off because I believe what's in the box is new packaging. So I wanted to show the old packaging first off. So this one, I love them both. This is a body scrub. It's cane sugar scrub. It's all natural. This is a local business here in the United States. And I love that their little logo is an elephant. But anyways, this is orange ginger, and it has cane sugar, it has olive oil, jojoba oil, vitamin E, kukui nut oil, oh my god, so much stuff, shea butter, and then this one has orange peel and obviously ginger powder, orange essential oil, and tangerine essential oil. And oh, the texture is divine, and it smells so good. So this one's the orange ginger, and the other one I have is the vanilla peppermint. And this one, you know, sometimes that's just how it is with natural products. Sometimes there's a little bit inconsistency with the texture. It's still very scrubby, delightful. This one, for some reason, is just a little bit drier. Honestly, I blame that on the Texas heat. And yes, even though we're in late September, it's still hot in Texas. Well, last year we had, I think, like 1 week of winter. So, sorry, that just smells so good. Oh, in case you're wondering what I have on my face, yes, that is a cat. I'm just covering up a pimple. Don't mind me. All right, so I have not opened this box. I did cut the tape so we can finally go in. So this is Bioco Cane Sugar Scrub, and I've not had a chance to take a look, so let's see what we've got. Oh, look how lovely that presentation is. The elephant, guys, the elephant. All right, so let's see if I can get going here. All right, and of course, if there's an elephant, you gotta have peanuts. In this case, it's styrofoam peanuts. So we got some little promotional things there, and let's see what we've got. Ooh, it looks like I've got all the little minis. Okay, very cool. I'll go ahead and just pull these out like that, and you guys get to see it before I do. Oops, I'll get that later. All right, let's just pull these out one by one and see what we've got. Actually, I'm gonna put this right here so I can better get to it. There we go. So be bold, be brave, be beautiful. BiocoNatural.com. So very cute. All right. So I am signed up as an affiliate, and so if I seem to be pushing these, yeah. But that's only if you buy through my link. If you don't want to buy through my link, you can just go straight to the website. That works too. All right, so this is, ooh, this one is honey lemon. Ooh, let's take a look-see. So I think this has a little cover on it. Okay, this one's honey lemon. It smells exactly like honey lemon. And you can just stir these up. If I'm one of those weirdos, I keep a spoon in my shower for scooping out body products like this, and also for stirring them up before I use them. But this is honey lemon. That's an interesting fragrance. All right, next we've got lavender and lemongrass. Ooh. Lavender and lemongrass. I think this is so cool that this is like just an independent business here in the US, making natural body care, and everything smells delightful. Oh, wow. Ooh, I like that one a lot. You can literally smell the lavender and the lemongrass. It is just a perfect balance. Ooh, that is nice. Okay, and I'm just checking the ingredients. Yeah. Jojoba oil, vitamin E oil, almond oil. Ooh, lovely. All right, we got 3 more. And this is the one I already have. This is orange and ginger. This one's delightful. So now I have the little one. And this one's vanilla peppermint. Once again, I already have this one. I just wanted to take a look at the texture right quick. And yeah, this one's just on the drier side. That's probably because of the essential oils. Just some of them hit different, I guess. But oh, that smells so good. Vanilla peppermint. And then coffee cinnamon. You know, this past year I've grown to like coffee. I don't love coffee, but I've grown to like it. You know, it's a little better than drinking energy drinks, right? So, oh, I'm not gonna lie, I love the way that looks. It's very dark. It's exactly what I think of when I think of coffee. How's it smell? So it's coffee and cinnamon. Yeah, it smells like coffee and cinnamon. Again, it's a very balanced. Like first I smell the coffee, then I smell the cinnamon. It's very balanced. Ooh, that'll wake you up in the morning. Okay, very cool. So I do have a promo code for you guys if you want to check out Bioco Natural. I highly encourage you do. If you're using body scrub, why not use something natural? Why not support a small business? Why not use a body scrub that smells amazing and has natural ingredients? So promo code Heather, my name. And I would love to hear in the comments below what fragrance you think sounds the best. All right, thank you so much, Bioco, for sending me all these body goodies. And that is it. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.